Good morning. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes with your weather briefing from West Tennessee Weather Online for Wednesday morning, March the 10th, 2010. Our weather briefing highlighting the prospects for some severe weather. We've got a spring-like day that'll unfold today with highs in the 70s with some sunshine as the day wears on. An upper-level storm system coming out of the southwest U.S. will produce some showers and thunderstorms tonight, and that is going to be resulting in a slight risk for some severe weather for tonight for most of West Tennessee. Let me show you that storm system over the southwest U.S. In our water vapor imagery. You can see it spinning nicely across New Mexico this morning. This is going to be moving on into Missouri. It's going to cause a low pressure system to form over the middle of the southern plains, and that's what's going to be organizing as well and produce the instability that we also need for the prospects for some severe weather. And you can see how the satellite imagery, this is the infrared satellite showing some thunderstorms ongoing across the northern portions of New Mexico. If your attention goes to the southeast U.S., you see some thunderstorms ongoing, highlighted by the cold cloud tops in the red here. These thunderstorms are lifting to the northeast, should not impact West Tennessee. It'll come real close to probably the Savannah area, but it looks like most of that's going to be moving to the northeast. Here's a look at the radar imagery just before sunrise. You can see how those thunderstorms are operating from central Mississippi across central Alabama and into Georgia. And again, I think most of that's going to stay to the south of us, and we will eventually see some sunshine breaking out for us as the day wears on. Looking at your surface weather map this morning, we have a good flow of southerly wind coming into the region. Weather features are generally to the north and west of us right now. We'll be watching the southern plains. This is where the activity is going to getting itself together, it looks like. And by midday today, watch this area of low pressure system begin to organize. By sunset, you can see low pressure over Kansas. Cold front begins to show up now, stretching across western Arkansas at this time into southeast Texas. As we get toward midnight, you can see that cold front pushes ever so closer to us. And this area hatched to the east of the cold front probably delineates showers and thunderstorms, maybe a squall line of thunderstorms that will begin to be approaching West Tennessee as we get toward the midnight hour. So be watching for that to kind of unfold for us as we go through the late night hours, unfortunately. Just kind of keep that in mind. Now, as we look at the instability, certainly the instability is beginning to build. This is the dew point temperatures, a measure of how much moisture is in the air. It's also an indicator for instability for us, and you can see that just before sunrise, the instability of dew point readings in the mid-50s, and we take 50s and 60s and begin to see that instability really increase, and we may see that some of those dew point readings get into the 60s across parts of West Tennessee. Here's your slight risk area. That slight risk involves all of West Tennessee. Now, as far as the individual categories, your tornado risk is about 5% across West Tennessee. You can see higher risk chances across Arkansas and Missouri. As far as hail risk is concerned, that's up to about 15% in West Tennessee. This is percentages that you're seeing is for within a 25-mile radius of any point in West Tennessee. There's a 15% chance, for instance, for large hail to take place. Damaging winds, that's at about 15% as well. So it's sufficient to cause the Storm Prediction Center to put us in a slight risk of severe weather. Okay, let's recap now. A slight risk of severe weather is in effect for tonight. We've got the main hazards being damaging winds, large hail that could reach the size of quarters, and maybe isolated tornadoes. The time of the greatest risk will be after 9 p.m. So take today to review your severe weather safety rules. Make sure you've got fresh batteries in your NOAA weather radio and stay abreast of the latest forecasts throughout the day today from your favorite media source. And West Tennessee Weather Online will be there providing you weather information. www.wtnweather.com is a source of your weather information. And that's a look at your weather briefing for this morning. Hope you have a great day. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes.